It's 24 CF 572.
Oh, wait, you're...
You're Mr. Lovejoy?
No.
No. Okay. Hello, Mr. Lovejoy.
Okay, this will be tough, okay.
Your Honor, if I may, this is a little bit of an interesting situation. We had reached out when we got this case for pretrial attention to the victim and kind of assumed it would be available for today, and then he's actually here.
Okay.
I'll be quite honest, I'm not necessarily prepped to ask the questions that I would in the pretrial attention meeting as I was anticipating. We had initially subbed him for the 21st at 12:30 because right when we got it in, it was only, I think, 2 days. It was Tuesday that we got the paperwork for this pretrial attention. And so the state with respect to requesting continuance to the 21st to be able to prepare we also don't have law enforcement medicine either. The one law enforcement medicine that we want as well as
The victim for the hearing, Your Honor.
Okay. And this is the first time up for Mr. Lovejoy for this hearing, right? Okay. Mr. Lovejoy, your attorney's probably told you that this is a relatively, it's a new law. It just came into effect, at least in the current rendition of the beginning of this calendar year. And so the judges in Okaloosa County, we just have a hearing every Friday for any of the hearings that are this way. The statute allows either party to ask for a continuance, one continuance, probably because of how short the notice is. As you know, very short notice from your arrest to today. So the state's asked for a continuance. I will grant that one continuance. So I'll see you back here a week from today, okay?
All right.
Yeah. No.
Tyus is next, correct? Thank you. 24 CF 580. Hello, Mr. Tyus. You can come to the lectern. To the state, what are you seeking?
Cash for professional, 25,000.
Mr. Tyus, this is a
Hi.
Mr. Tice, this is a new procedure that the legislature put into effect this calendar year. What we're actually officially set for was a pretrial detention. The judge at first appearance said the facts fulfill that new statute, so we have to set it for today.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then the state has the ability to either try to prove that they fulfill the statute to require you to be held without bond, or, as was just stated by the state, they can ask for a bond. It's almost like going back to first appearance again.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Koch?
Yes, Your Honor. And if I heard the state correctly, they asked for 25,000. Count one's heroin trafficking, and then paraphernalia for count two.
So 25,000 count one and 1,000 cash for professional for count two.
Okay, thank you. One second. Thank you, Judge. I just want to clarify the state's position.
Yes, sir.
Defense would be seeking 5,000 signature for count one for the trafficking in heroin, 4 grams or more, and 1,000 signature for the paraphernalia count two. Your Honor, going through the risk assessment, my client they got him as a 13, and for a nonviolent felony in that category, he would qualify an ROR or a signature bond. I did see that there were no prior FTAs, so that's why we'd be requesting this 5,000 signature on count one and 1,000 signature on count two, Your Honor.
What was the outcome of the mental health evaluation?
I did not see a mental health eval.
It's on the first appearance information. Ma'am?
I have it pulled up if you.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay, I did just read the evaluation. And that's a pretrial evaluation. It's not one other than for that.
I'm not sure what any of that means, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I'm not sure what any of that means, Your Honor.
Okay, it was just that the jail met and spoke with you, and they were seeing if they had recommendations regarding your mental
State.
status. Yes, sir, at that point.
Thank you.
Okay. So anything else from either the state or Mr. Koch?
Nothing further from defense, Judge.
Okay. If you'll just give me a moment. Mr. Tias, I did, when I was doing my homework, I read through the arrest report, highlighted some different things, so if you'll give me a moment.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
He is reading that. You're fine. Okay.
Mr. Tias?
Yes, Your
How
Honor.
long have you lived in the area?
I've lived in the area for 5 years now, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have family that's here?
I do have my mom in Ponce de Leon, but she's
Okay.
working class, Your Honor.
Okay, how long has she lived here?
Going on almost 10.
Okay. Is that who you live with, or?
No, Your Honor. I actually, I've worked my way up to move into Hammock Bay and Freeport, Your Honor.
Okay,
I have 2 jobs. One, I work on Eglin Air Force Base.
okay,
I pay my car note every week, my insurance every month, and I
Okay.
split a $2,090 rent with my roommate,
Okay.
Your Honor.
okay, hold on. I'm just concerned. I don't want you to say anything about your case because it may hurt it, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam Clerk, on that report, did they talked about psychologist and take the meds, but did they say pretrial mental health? Did they recommend that? Pretrial services?
With Kelly and Kelly. With
It
Kelly.
says mental health pretrial services recommends the following conditions, and it says access psychiatric appointment, take all medications as prescribed, and comply with all recommended treatment.
Thank you.
10-4.
And I do look at the facts, and to be honest with you, whenever I see amounts of grams, I have flavored water packets that have 2 grams or 3 grams, and I have to pick those up, and every time I see how big is that, because I don't grasp how much volume that is. I did see that it was 8 grams, and it was liquid. Based on that and on your statements, I am going to set your bond at a $5,000 signature bond and a $1,000 signature bond on the possession of paraphernalia. I do appoint mental health pretrial services, and you'll need to follow their recommendations, which include any psychological requirements that they have. If you're on any medications, you have to take them as you're prescribed, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So when will I see Mr. Tias?
He's set for April 11th at 1:30 for his phone meeting.
Okay, so I'll see you back here on April 11th at 1:30 for your arraignment, okay? And stay in touch with Mr. Koch.
Is there any way that I can ask for a reduced bond, Your Honor?
It's a signature, so you get to sign yourself out of jail today. What it means is that hold on. What it means is that if you don't show up when you're supposed to, then you'll owe $6,000, okay? So you don't have to put up any money today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Okay. And mental health pretrial will talk to you before you leave the jail. Thank you, sir.
Give you a second card, okay, in case you lose one, okay? Call me as soon as you get out.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Yes, sir, you're welcome. I think that's all we have for 12:30, correct?
If we could take some of the 130 inmates, there's just a couple.
Okay, if you'll hold on one second, let me finish this order.